This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to download Blender. Now, Blender is an amazing application. I'm sure you know that, which is why you're watching this video right here. I'm on the main download page of Blender. You can find it at blender.org/download. So I'll include that URL, that link, in the video description just below this video, so you can just click on the link and you can wind up here. You don't need to do any searching or anything like that. So it has recognized that I have a Mac OS with Apple Silicon, which is completely correct. So I've got this download button right here. If you're on Windows or Linux, it should find, it will default to whatever your actual operating system is. If you're on Windows, it will offer you the Windows option up the top right here, and we see this is the latest version. But if you want to change, for whatever reason, you want to install Windows and you have a Mac or Linux, there's a whole load of different options. They even have the Steam version and the source code options right here. So you can pick your poison right there, but in general, you'll have the download button at the top. We will click on Download Blender, and the download will start automatically. So I'm on Google Chrome on a Mac, so the download goes to my downloads folder. You'll find the installer right there, depending on your browser and where your downloads are stored. Hopefully you have found this video on how to download Blender helpful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos.